Hello YouTube, my name is Shruti and you're watching Tickle Me Pink. Welcome to Malaysia. So I think it was probably 2 videos ago that you saw that our friend Harsh was over in Singapore and we basically explored all around Singapore. Now Harsh, my husband Surya and I are in Malaysia and we're going to be here for 10 days. We are in the district of Borneo in Malaysia, which is quite far away from the mainland. And we're in a city called Kuching. We arrived this morning and then sort of slept and rested, but now we're just going out for a bite to eat. But before that, I want to show you where we're staying. We're staying in a really cute hostel here. It's very small and I've never stayed in a hostel like this, so I'll show it to you guys now. Alright, so we start at the lobby. It's a pretty standard lobby. I mean, it's small but really cute. This is now the main part of the hostel. Do you see all those like sort of compartments in the walls? Those are the beds where people sleep. I mean, I've never been in a hostel like this, so I thought it was pretty cool. This one is my bed. I'm sorry for how messy it is, but it was really comfortable. Like, it kind of resembles a train compartment, but the bed was comfy, it was clean, and honestly, a really good place to sleep at night. These are the shared bathrooms. I'm always a little wary when it comes to hostels and bathrooms because I need them to be clean. But actually, these were pretty good and we always had hot water, which is always a bonus.
कुछ खाने जा रहे हैं ना? हाँ. I'm starving, man.
So today is day 2 in Malaysia. Yesterday I fell a little bit sick in the evening, so I didn't really vlog after the last clip that you saw. But I'm feeling better today, thank God, because today we are going to the rainforest. Now, Kuching is sort of known for their rainforest. There are a lot of rainforests around this city and there are a few like national parks on islands which are also around this area. So today we are going to one of the national parks which is on an island called Bako. Now there are a lot of private tours for this national park which are like $100 to $200, but it's actually quite easy to get there with public transport, and honestly once you're there it's just about hiking the trails in the rainforest. So I honestly don't think that you actually need a tour guide because what I've read online is that there are a lot of signs and it's very easy to navigate. So that is where we're heading. We're just gonna take the public bus in a bit and then get to the rainforest. तुम्हारा सिर्फ आँख दिख रहा है. So we're done with the bus and now we've reached the Bako terminal. From here we need to catch a boat that takes us to the actual national park. So our boat is now stuck because of the low tide, and we basically have to follow our boatsman, our boat guide, the captain, to walk towards the island, and he just told us that there are poisonous stingrays in the water. Fun! Okay. So that's our guide, who's using the stick to search for poisonous stingrays in the water. And this is us.
Ooh.
Okay.
Slip हो रहा है.
Yay!
Starbucks County Jail.
Okay, let's go. So we're now on the beach and we are walking towards one of the trails. But this place is absolutely beautiful. There are limestone structures all around us and we're surrounded by nature. It's really, really beautiful. So there are a bunch of trails to do in the There are a bunch of trails to do in the Bako National Park. The one that we're doing first is trail number 3. I don't know the exact name, but it's the trail in which you can see the proboscis monkey. And that monkey is, I think, it's only found in Borneo, I think. Is it? Do you know?
No, but I know we are in a mangrove forest.
Wow.
Look at this.
Okay. Yeah, so I think that this kind of monkey, which is the proboscis monkey, is only found in Borneo. So hopefully we get to see some. So we've reached the end of the trail and sadly didn't see any monkeys. The trail ends on this beach, which is quite pretty, but I'm still disappointed we didn't see any monkeys. Okay, so we're back in the boat now. Thankfully it's high tide, so we don't have to get out into the water and walk. But we're now just going, I think, around the island to look at some limestone structures or sandstone structures. Limestone structures, which are supposed to be really beautiful and kind of like the iconic spot here at Bako. So let's go.